Yo, let's go. Uh, Soon we will begin our stream of creating an e-commerce website using ReactJS and Node.js. Let me see. Let me just adjust my mic. So let's go. I hope my stream is online now. I hope my audio quality is good. Just pop this up. Yeah, copy the video ID as usual. Yo. Okay, let's just start the project. First of all, I'll just update the video ID here. Video ID. Where is it? Terminal, then Python. Window.py, then let's okay. Now this one. Let's open VS Code. Okay, so today I'm a little bit sleepy because yesterday I slept a little less, but it's okay. It was 6-7 hours, so 6 hours most probably. Okay, so up till now this is the update of the project. I've added this routes like product route, purchase route, etc. things. This product route is for the buyer to update the product, update, edit, delete, add, etc. thing. And this purchase route I'm creating is for like if hello sir, oh my god, Dolly, you are so Dolly. Oh, okay, so you are Dolly. Oh, I got it. Hi, welcome to the stream. Okay, so Dolly, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, I got it. So purchase route. Okay, so this route is about whenever a user purchase something. So to handle that request, I have created this route. Okay, so post to add new data. Okay, in the purchase route, for example, okay, I have to turn on the database. So I'll be using XAMPP. Let's go. Oh, localhost PHP my admin. Okay, so these are all the tables. So I have added this product using ChatGPT. Like I've created some fake details. This is buyer, this is purchase. So to insert data in this route, these are the so update the status. Okay, so whenever a buyer buys something, okay, the data is stored in the purchase table, and the seller have the access to this table, purchase table, and he can update the status, like he is processing the order, etc things. Okay. Okay, so I got some bug, some problem in this. So the purchase table exists like this. Now I want to add some more details like address and all these things. Should I add it here? Yeah. Dangerous. I've done a mistake. Doesn't matter. What I'll do is I'll drop this table. For sure. Okay, so drop table. So once again I have to create the table using I have to add all that, address and all that stuff. Address, and then contact also. No, contact will be we can get the contact. Status where check. Okay. So we will need address, and what else we need from the buyer. We need his name. We have it. Name, address, contact. Okay. So okay. I think this is enough. Not null and okay. That's it. Okay, let's go. Stream is live. I'll just check the audio of my stream. I have 20% charging left. I'm live. I got 55 subscribers now. Oh, nice. Okay. Yo, let's go. Where was I? Yeah, I've created this purchase route. Okay, purchase table, and now I just have to. Yeah, I have to get the address also. After getting it, I have to add it here. Okay. Yeah. So after this, I'll get this route is for getting updating the status of if the type is buyer. Buyer cannot access this route. If the type is buyer cannot access. And then just a second. Check. Yo, let's go. Okay, now we have to work on this route. Get all the purchase from the buyer where buyer ID is buyer with buyer ID. Okay, what does it mean is I have to get all the purchases that this buyer have done. Okay, so I hope you understand like what all things this buyer have purchased. I have to get that data. So how I'm gonna do it? So select all from. Okay, first of all I need to add some data. What I'll do is I'll just copy this. We have product ID and so yeah, we have some product. So I just need to copy paste. I don't need this now. Okay. We have ID with 37, 38, 39. Okay. 37, 38, 39. Product ID. Okay, let's go. Let's continue. We have buyer ID. It's one. Oh, we don't have shipped. Okay, doesn't matter. Yeah, we don't have. We have what all things we have. What's there? Excuse me. Processing. We have processing, which means this. We have completed. Shipped. Yeah. Oh, okay. So we have shipped also. My website doesn't have shipped shipped and all these things. Okay. Not completed. Some would be no. Most of them would be processing. Okay, so 2 completed and 2 processing. What I have to do is, okay, insert has been, just have to insert this. Yeah, so we have some fake data. Okay, so why is this date so weird? The date data type was, what is this thing? Oh my god. I have to delete all this. Papre. It's, I think the date will be automatically added, so I don't have to add the dates here. Okay, yo, let's go. Oh my god. Why? What happened? Okay, I got it because here it is not allowed. That's why I got that error. Now I think it will work. Yeah, I have to copy this now. Okay, let's go. Now we have done with the adding thing. Now what I have to do is, what I have to do, what I have to do, what I have to do, what I was doing. Yeah, so I was creating a new query for getting all these details. To get the purchases, I need the product details as well as product details from this table and this detail. So let's see what will be the SQL query. Let's try to create it all from. This will be the simple. We have to use join as well. Yeah, buyer ID and buyer purchase comma product. So buyer ID equal to and not ID. Let's see what's the, why I'm getting this. Purchase dot product ID. Okay, I'm getting this data and is it correct? Yeah, the query is working. So I have to create the route for this type of query, this dangerous query. Uh, okay. We have the query in our hand, but what we need to change it is this thing. Rather than one, we have to use a dynamic variable that will be coming from with the buyer ID. Okay. Let's go check. Okay. Where was I? Yeah, I have to complete this route now. Select all from purchase products. Yeah. I'll just copy this. No, we don't need this. Get all the purchase from the buyer with the buyer ID. How will it be? For what this route is here, because whenever a buyer wants to see his orders, he'll access this route and he'll get all the details of his data. To me the ID, and here it is buyer ID. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We don't need to check this thing. We have the query, and we just have to do it now. Don't need status, and we need this. My God, my charger is very hot. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. No, it's not hot. I have to do some changes here. Query will be the query, buyer ID, else, and what message I have to do is I have to return. Not 0. Yeah. Okay. Get all the purchase from the buyer with the buyer ID. Okay. So now it's working. It will work. I'll test all these things later. I'll spend some time testing my code and some time creating the code, because creating and testing at the same time is a little dangerous, a little time consuming. Okay. Now what all things we need to add in this purchase route? What all things a buyer needs to know? What? We have everything, I think. The filtering of this product will be done on the front end side by ReactJS, so we do not need that here, that there. Once I got in the front end process, then there would be a lot of changes in this route. I know it will happen, but it's okay. Let's see. Let's see where our destiny is. Get all the purchase from the buyer with the buyer ID. I think we are done with this. So what next? Uh, I think I'm not gonna do that admin stuff which we planned in the planning because there's no need of. We don't need the admin thing. We have done with this name, status, message, and admin, email, and password. What is this? Film strip. What is this film strip? Oh, we don't need the admin stuff. And what was plan 6? Search page has been done by review. Yeah, the review page, review route to add review for some product. Okay, so we can do it. The review part we will be doing it now. Then, but once the buyer has complete purchased and the purchase the product, only after that he can give the review. If he hasn't purchased the product, he would not be able to give the review. We have to build something like that. So we just need to add review, and also the buyer can edit the review and he can give some stars out of 10. And then do we have to do anything else? I don't think we have to do anything else. Just a second, my background noise is too much. I'm living in hell. I have to accept it. Okay. Now we have to work on the review route. Let's create. Hope I've added. Yeah, purchase. We have the review route, and it will be. Okay, my laptop is a little bit heated because of heat in the afternoon. No, not afternoon. Yeah, afternoon. It's so heat. It's too hot here. But I'm using a table fan. I haven't completed my sleep. That's why I think I'm so serious. I don't have the dopamine now left in my body. Review route. So, bro, voice crackling. Uh, you just have to decrease the sound a little bit. Okay, it's too much. So I think I just have to lower it. Just a second. I think I should not stream in the afternoon because this is a it's like hell. So I think now my voice is a little good. Let's see. Check yo. Check 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 yo. Let's go check. Let's go yo. Check. Let's. So I think now it's fine. The voice is okay. Better than using. Just a second. I'm charging my phone. My God, laptop is a little bit heated. Just a second. I'm so sorry. Oh, yeah. I'm back. Let's continue working on the route. I'm so done with this. Okay, let's go. Just have to add this review route. Create new file. So it will be similar to this purchase route. It's just the same thing. Man, it's too difficult for me. Okay, so first of all, I just have to create a new table for this. So what all things will review have? So review will have uh, ID. Then what else will it have? The buyer ID. Then actual review. Then date. And then what? Now what? What? Stars. Then that's it. Yeah, I'll also add an section like yeah, things only should have positive and negative. What is this? Sentiment? Oh, dangerous. Hmm. Why is this using this thing? Let's check. Now just have to just a second. Only a excuse me. Disconnect the charger. Okay. The GPU. Let's go. Add the data into purchase. Not purchase, but review. What all things we need is what I'll do. I'll ask ChatGPT to create a ChatGPT is like real person talking. We actually get the buyer ID from the stars and sentiment. Okay, we get it from the body. If not buyer or anything, then we return with an invalid request. Now, otherwise, we insert into this thing. Okay. Okay. I think this route will work fine as expected. Oh, return and user can also, get the ID from here and get reviews, attribute text. Patch means to update only one single thing, and put means to update the whole thing. I think so. But what all things we can update? Review, start, and sentiment. Yeah. Okay. We would be using sentiment analysis for, and we would have added the sentiment by our own. But it's okay. Just a second. Okay. Let's continue. My God, I don't know what's happening to my brain. It's just Uh, okay. Okay. Let's continue with our. Okay. So we have the and user can also delete his review. We can do a lot of things, for security reasons and etc. things. But once we start building the front end, I'll do it later because currently my goal is to complete this project now because I think it will take a lot of time. I have to complete Java Spring Boot course that I've recently purchased over here from Udemy. So I have to complete that also. So, but what I have to do is I have to mm, before deleting it, I just have to check if the user is logged in. But it will be automatically checked in this middleware if the user ID is a type of. No, we don't need this. We don't need this. We create a type. This data. This will be only accessible by. What the hell? So if it's a type of seller, seller cannot access this route. Okay, and not this route. Why I'm getting this error? What happened? Yeah, I think yeah. If if it's type of seller, it cannot update the data. Seller cannot access, and the user is logged in. A particular you know particular review can be deleted by, and I also have to check if the if that review has the ID of the buyer which is currently logged in. So what I'll do is if uh, request dot user ID is there in that database. Okay, what I have to do? So what I'll do is what I have to do is no, I'm doing it in a wrong way. That's okay. I'll ask ChatGPT. It will save my time. Is equal to the buyer ID of the review table. Latur. So I have to go to Latur soon. Mm. Oh, such a silly modification. And I thought in another way. So this middleware will add the user ID. Okay. And delete from review where ID will be equal to that review ID. Okay. This first one. And buyer ID is equal to user ID. Buyer ID is equal to the user ID. Yo. No. I just have to check. I think this will work. Yeah. Hope this works. If it doesn't work, we will fix it in future. But so user can delete his review, he can add his review, he can update his review. So I think review route is done. Okay. So what next? So I think we are pretty much done with the backend. A lot of things. Like it took a lot of time. Not a lot of time, but a lot of ChatGPT. Okay. Uh, Dangerous. So what I was telling is, I think we are done with this thing, the backend, and I think I should end this live now and start building the front end from next live. I'll have some sleep. Yeah, I'll have some sleep, a good sleep, because I am too in a feeling that I cannot explain how I'm feeling. It's a mixture of a lot of things. Yeah. So I'll end this live stream now. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye. Have a nice day. Let's meet in the next live. Sayonara. Adios. I have to end this thing. I have to end this and this and